In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use logic in SurveyMonkey, a tool that can significantly enhance your surveys by creating conditional flows, personalizing questions, and developing smarter survey paths. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your simple surveys with question skip logic or leverage more advanced options like page skip logic, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you feel confident in using these powerful features. Let's start with question skip logic, also known as simple logic. This function allows you to direct respondents to different sections of your survey based on how they answer a specific question, creating a personalized experience that improves the quality of your data collection. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Design Survey section of your SurveyMonkey account. There, select the question you want to modify with logic. In the Questions Control panel, navigate to the Logic tab. This is where you can decide the survey path for each response by choosing among options like sending a respondent to page 3, question 7, or even to the end of the survey. You can also choose to disqualify a respondent based on a particular answer. Once you've set it up, remember to click Save. I can't stress enough the importance of previewing your survey to test these logic paths before launching it. A helpful tip is to position questions with logic at the end of a page. This helps avoid any navigation hiccups that might trip up your respondent or mess with the flow of your survey. Moving along to page skip logic, this feature is pivotal for surveys on a paid plan and is particularly useful when you want every respondent who lands on a certain page to be redirected somewhere else, regardless of their answers. Again, we'll start in Design Survey. Here, you'll find an option at the top labeled Page Logic. Once you click on it, you'll be able to choose Page Skip Logic. This requires specifying a destination for the respondents, which can be another page, the end of the survey, or a disqualification page. It's crucial to note that if you're using the advanced branching feature, Page Skip Logic will be unavailable. This is because advanced branching provides a comprehensive conditional logic setup that essentially replaces the need for simpler page skips. Thus concludes our exploration of using survey logic in SurveyMonkey. By mastering these options, you're opening the door to a more flexible and dynamic way to gather valuable insights. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to revisit these steps as you enhance your survey design skills. Happy surveying, and let's make that data work for you.